You're welcome. Enjoy.
So this is when we need to be here. Thursdays, 3 p.m. to 6:30.
So what is it?
How's the popcorn? Is it IP quality or no?
I don't think they give us popcorn. What is it? Cupcakes with caviar. With no silverware. Caviar in this cup.
Oh yeah. 10 out of 10.
Here's the baked oysters for you guys.
Yes,
Be
sir.
careful, that skillet's really, really hot.
Alright, will do. Thank you.
Enjoy, guys. Take this from you guys.
Yes, please. Thank you.
I've never seen oysters with bacon on it.
Don't eat all of it. Like, come on, baby.
I would have said no.
You ran around the street.
Ooh. Who said that? That's not funny. People at work don't like me. They're throwing me a goodbye party. Yeah.
I swear to God, life has coddled me so much. It's crazy.
I always get thrown a goodbye party. Everywhere I work.
Crazy work. Crazy work.
It's so good.
Is the rodeo in town? What's going on?
Ooh. They're on vacation.
Oh, okay.
I thought that's what you're supposed to do in Texas.
Well, welcome to Texas. I love it. I love it. Get highlights like that.
So the girlfriend I'm seeing later, we haven't seen each other in months. I'm so excited to see her, and she has a kid too. So that's kind of like why we haven't.
Huh?
That says she has a kid too. The girl I'm seeing later.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember.
Erica? What the fuck is this?
Alright, I'm
Oh,
taking
that's
this
the
big one.
oyster. Oops.
Maybe use this one.
It's too late. Thank you, though.
are so delicious. I like her hairstyle. I love when your hair looks like that.
Which one though?
So we're getting the huge bone shrimp, and we're getting the
10
blue crab fingers. Okay.
out of 10.
Hey yo, this is citrusy.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so Mondays or this one?
This one. This is good.
Are you sure?
Taste it.
Don't be lying on my new city, Louisiana. That's my new city.
Everything you're saying is in the video. Just think about that. Louisiana is a state.
That's pretty good.
I feel like I don't remember how. I know it was good.
And this just seems a little bit more rich.
Right, rich and fresh.
This is
Let's try this shrimp.
and we got way more. What do you think of this?
Really good.
Hey baby. And then I want to do a mussels night.
Okay.
So sometime in the near future, we need to do a mussels night and have Anna.
Y'all want to steal my recipe?
We do, but we want to make it with you.
Okay. So you want to come over to my place?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll make some crab.
We'll grab some wine. We all cook. We'll have a good time. Okay.
So, these are globe shrimp.
These are.
You know, I can tell the texture is very meaty and like not
How does that taste in food?
really good.
Incredible. Really good.
All set for right now?
Yeah, I think we are. Yeah.
Because when did we have frozen shrimp? And I was like, oh, you can tell these are frozen.
I think it was in New Orleans, and you were like,
Nah,
I think you said that about the crawfish, because we were out of season.
oh.
And you were like,
oh yeah,
and you
those
were like, oh, these were frozen. I can tell.
The lobster were pretty good, but the shrimp, you could just tell they were frozen.
It's ridiculous how good this is.
Let's try it.
You know what I was meant to ask you the other day?
Wait, babe. Something inappropriate.
get a French bread, you get a side salad, like this.
But he is. Oh yeah, that's what I was used to get. I love it.
Oh, you got it?
That's my go-to.
You can't go wrong.
I almost always get it. You guys still have it?
Nah, we do. Yeah, at the beginning it did, but we had a lot of technical breakdowns. The only thing that's going to be there is a 20 face You're going to sit it on there like a fruit.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.